Suppose we have the function 2x plus 1, which we met in the introduction. We often write this, rather than using a diagram, as f of x, which reads function of x, is equal to 2x plus 1. The x is the number that's input, so whichever number is input has 2 multiplied by it, and then we add 1. An alternative notation is like this. This reads f takes x and maps it to 2 times x plus 1. We saw before that if we put 4 into this function, we times it by 2, giving 8, and then add 1, giving 9. We would write this as f of 4, since 4 is the input to the function. If we have f of minus 2, that tells us to put minus 2 into the function. So f of minus 2 is 2 times minus 2, add 1, which is minus 4, add 1, giving us minus 3. F of 0 says put 0 into the function. So f of 0 is 2 times 0, add 1, which is 0 plus 1, giving us 1.